Hey, Gary Baker here with PosterReport.com. Just wanted to show you here on the screen what I'm working on in the I Spy, Search and Find, Seek and Find niche over at Amazon KDP. Of course, these could be printables as well. But check this out. Find the aliens. Aliens are hiding in amongst the Starfleet. Search and find them. Find one little blue alien, one little green alien. And you can see the image down here. This is a page in a book that I'm creating, and I want to show you the tool that I used to create this and also where I found some of the elements to include the background of this book. And we'll start over at Amazon to show you what I'm talking about. And what I'm talking about is the I Spy books. Now be careful with I Spy, it may be trademarked, so do your due diligence on that before you start creating I Spy books. Because you'll go here and you'll do some research and you'll see the I Spy books here. These aren't the original I Spy books. Of course, the original I Spy books were by Walter Wick and Gene Marzallo that you see right there. But another way to say I Spy that I found is seek and find. Also, there is search and find. So you can see right there a bunch of keywords that are the same type of books. So I Spy, seek and find, search and find. Search and find seems to show up with word searches quite a bit, but there is the big book of search and find with images right here, just like the one that I've created right here inside of Canva. So what is the tool and how does it work? The tool is actually inside of Puzzle Publishers. You can see the image right here that I'm working on. Inside of Puzzle Publishers, they do have tons of software here to create these types of puzzles. And this is their new release called Search and Find It. And as you can see right here, what they have is they have the ability to create the find objects and the fill objects. Of course, the find objects are the objects that you're searching for, so you simply just add those right here. And you can see that you can go in here and say I wanted to add a different element. I would just click on that element and it would add that element in there. And then I could delete it by left mouse clicking it. And you can see maybe I wanted to add another flying saucer. I could add that flying saucer right there. And it can also be resized. By working your mouse wheel to resize it, you can see it getting smaller and bigger right there. Of course, you saw the image moving a little bit. That's because I am using this on my MacBook. I found that on my MacBook with a mouse, the interface does act a little funny, but in Windows and on my iMac, I don't have the issue. So I'll go ahead and delete that, and you can see the original image right there. And all you do is simply select the objects, and this comes preloaded with objects. So you could be doing animals, you could be doing different types of characters that they have right here. They also have some game pieces. They have landscapes. They also have playing cards. So you could add those in right there, and those fill objects match right there the same way. And then the way that you see this right here is the solution is the aliens that you're looking for. So to see the solution, you simply just click Show Solution, and then it just shows the solution right there. And you can download each one of these by clicking Download PNG. Then that would download the solution image right there. I'll go ahead and open that up and show you what that looks like. So there's the solution image that I downloaded. Then of course, if you uncheck the solution and you download the PNG, you will get the image right there, of course, with a transparent background that you would put in your book that we saw earlier that I did in Canva. Also, the task element is right here. Click that and download it. Then when you open that, you'll see your task element again in transparent background. And you can see all I did was take those images and pop over into Canva. And then I just added those images again in a transparent background and created this page right here. This is 8.5 by 11, but it could just as easily be a square type book that you can see if you go back to Amazon, where the I Spy books, like this one right here, I Spy Animals, it is a square book, more like a book that you see just like this one, like my robots book. So again, you can see that those books are right there, and I showed you the different ways, the seek and find, the search and find, and it's just as simple as creating it right there inside of Canva. Find the aliens. Of course, the task list is to find one blue alien and one green alien, and then they simply search for it right there. And again, that is all done here in the Search and Find It tool inside of Puzzle Publishers. And of course, there's a link in the description, and it'll take you over to the sales page right here to discover how to create I Spy, hidden object, and find it books and pages, minutes with little or no design skills. And you can see right here, you'll simply just scroll down, you'll see everything that's inside to include 100% no risk guarantee. And when this is launched, which is tomorrow I'm shooting this video on December 16th, 2020. This launches December 17th, 2020. You'll be able to get the deal that's right here. It'll be for sale. Go ahead, click it, pick it up. You can start creating your own pages just like the one you see right here with the simple tool that is very easy to use. Just drag and drop and resize the images, either the images that they give you right here, or you can go none and then you could upload your own image. In both the find objects and the fill objects box, you can simply click right here to add your own image. Also, when you start from scratch inside of search and find it, you'll see there is an empty background right there. You can load your own background image simply by clicking load background. It opens it up and you can see here I have a space rocket launching text background. It's a PNG. Go ahead and open that up. Then when that loads, you just zoom that in and lock it into the canvas. Now, where did I get this image? I found this image over at Creative Fabrica simply by searching for space and look for backgrounds and found this PNG image. And then I simply just uploaded it right there. And then I just started creating the objects that I wanted to find, which are the space aliens. And then I just filled the other objects in, which I call the Starfleet. And I just added them in. And then of course you could hide them behind the images or you could put them in front of images. And that's how you get started. Head over to the sales page, search and find it, discover how to create I Spy hidden object, seek and find, search and find I Spy books. They could easily sell on Amazon KDP or as printables. So link in the description, check it out. Give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, typewriter right here, click that typewriter, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.